everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tuna Tomato Somen. Somen is very thin wheat noodles, so it's like Japanese version of capellini or angel hair. It's usually served cold. Today I'm making topping with some tomato and tuna. At the end of the video, I will show you how I do a menu with this dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Somen noodles. It's usually 2 bundles per person, so I'm cooking 8 bundles today. Canned tuna and tomato. These 2 are as much as you like. Some ponzu sauce, sesame oil and salt, and green onion to garnish. While you prepare the boiling water to cook the noodles, let's make the topping. So green onion first. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half. Put them together. Cut them into half. Put them together. And slice thinly. This is the garnish, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Tomato, let's cut it into half. Cut the stem off. And dice. I have diced tomato in the bowl here. Let's put canned tuna. It's in brine today, but you can use the one in oil. Let's season this with sesame oil, ponzu sauce, and some salt. How much of each you need is all up to your taste, but make sure to season it slightly saltier than your usual saltiness because you're having it with plain noodles. Some sesame oil. I'm doing about 2 tablespoons. Ponzu sauce, about 1 tablespoon. And some salt. Let's start with 1 teaspoon or so. Give it a mix. Check the saltiness. I think I need a little more salt, so let's put half a teaspoon. The topping is ready and the boiling water is ready, so let's cook the noodles. Remove this bund. Put the noodles in the boiling water. And cook for 2 minutes as you constantly stir. Okay, let's drain. Wash the noodles really well under running water by rubbing them against each other. And this is to remove the stickiness on the surface, and you can do it aggressively. Then into ice water to chill it completely. noodles in the serving bowl. Tuna tomato topping. Some green onion for the nice color and the flavor. And Tuna Tomato Somen is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so refreshing. The saltiness of the topping is just perfect. It's great for a hot summer day. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Tuna Tomato Somen is noodles, but it's carb, so let's put it here and the topping replaces the main dish. When I have noodles, I normally don't have soup, so let's pass the soup here. I think I want to have little more protein, so let's have broccoli and egg salad for one of the side dishes. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!